first of all, overview is MediaMonkey, the manager of series collector. Let MediaMonkey organize your collection and get under control on your PC and your phone so that you can focus on enjoying it. Manage one 100k plus audio and video file content, temporary and classic movies, audiobooks, products, or music video, whether on hard drive and network, the cloud of recorded form, your CD. Organize your media and quickly get under control. Automatically look up tag missing ad work, metadata automatically organize and rename file, get right to duplicate and set up playlist. So playlist and share your music uh, share your music and best ways. I hope you enjoy this video, and first of all, uh, share your music between Windows or Android, Apple device, iPhone, iPod, iPad or iPod, and other DLNA media players or cloud services. Play high quality audios to your TV stereos uh, of your UPNA or Bluetooth device. Learning MediaMonkey convert to unspotted formats or normalize volume level, convert the audio and video formats so that all your content can play on any your devices. Customize and extend fluctuately addition or skins to it only on. Enjoy your music wherever you have collector, a small business owner, or DG remover and freedom of managing your collection. What is other is saying the best manager of Windows art the song, and how to get Windows desktop completely a selection to organization. Pay your share and medias, learn more and see the highly performance manage thousands of music track videos without missing beat. Manage all your videos, create collection, raw, classic, audiobooks, products, or movie, classify using standard tags, custom field, and multiple tradable per field, quality, hi-fi, a fine to audio via band DSP effect, modern volume leveling, use WPSI drive in fact with your high-end digital audio, automatically identifying two tracks and look up missing metadata at work of lyrics, or your use to mutual editor for fine grained control. Quickly find the eliminate duplicate tracks to clean up your collection. Automatically head down and magic your favorite products. So science Valley, science with monkey tent for Android. Manage your library from your phone or PC, cloud store or backup your library content. Cloud surface is such a Dropbox, Google Drive on. Share your library with TV's console via UPI and the best platforms. So Monkey DG, when you clean tracks out of automatically play tracks base, you can define, generate, and other reports of your collections. So automatically organization, reorganization, rename media files in the background uh, that you that you define, uh, So choose the format of write the scenic of device sharing content UP a NUP performance setting in the free version. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy this seriously, and thank you.